Hello and welcome. Today in this video, I will explain you, not only explain, I will demonstrate you how to find your reaction time. Now first of all, let us understand what is reaction time. You know, the agility of a player depends upon how fast he takes the action while playing. The quickness, softness, alertness of a person, if he is very swift in the actions, it means his reaction time is very less. He is more successful. So I will explain you the theory, how to calculate the reaction time, then practically we will find the reaction time. So you know the equation of second equation of motion, that is equal to S is equal to half gt square. When we throw anything freely from a height, then it accelerates due to gravity and the distance covered is half gt square. Suppose in 1 second how much distance it will cover? So it will be g is nearly equal to 10. We take approximately 10. Exactly it is 9.8 and this is 1. So reaction, this is distance will be 5 meter and I will write it 500 centimeter. It means if any person, suppose I have a scale and I hold this scale from the this bottom end and I release it and again catch it, then how much distance is covered? That will measure my reaction time. Suppose if I am catching it again after covering a distance of 500 centimeter, my reaction time is 1 second. If any person having reaction time 1/10 of the second, then the distance covered on this scale will be this one. I have made a table. First I explain what is the logic behind this table. If anyone is having a reaction time of 1/5 of the second, means his brain takes action in the 5th part of the second, then the scale length, distance covered on the scale will be 20 centimeter. Why? Because if this time is 1/5, then square it will be 125. We will divide this 500 by 25, it will be 20 centimeter. Likewise, if reaction time of any person is 1/10 of the second, then if I substitute t here 1 by 10, it will be 1 by 100, reaction time will be 5 centimeter. So this table will help you quickly to gauge your reaction time. So now I will call one of the student and I will demonstrate how to find the reaction time. So first of all, I am inviting Mr. Ankit. Ankit, please come on. Okay, is Mr. Ankit, come here, come. I will measure your reaction time. You have to be very alert. You stretch your fingers and this thumb, and when I will release it quickly, I can release it anytime. When I will release it, you have to re-catch it. So you will be given 3 chances. Best of the 3 will be your reaction time. So I can release it anytime. Okay, very good. Now this scale is having 30 centimeter on it maximum. So Ankit, its reaction time, you can see this is 5 centimeter. Here it is 5 centimeter. Exactly, this is approximate value. So 5 centimeter on this table, the reaction time is, this is 1/10 of the second. So you will be given again 1 more or 2 more chances. Now I am calling Mr. Manav. Manav, come on please. We will gauge your reaction time. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. 1 minute, and you have to keep your level hand at this level. You cannot take it down. Okay, ready? 1 minute. Let me release it. Okay. You will be given again one more chance. I think you were not ready. Okay. In 1 second. This side, na? This is coming 14 centimeter. This is 14 centimeter, and in this table 14 centimeter is lying where? This 13.8 nearly. The reaction time is 1/6 of the second. You will be given one more chance. Ankit, you can come again. One minute. Let me. Ready? Okay. This time it is more. It is 17 centimeter. So in this way, you can try. You can at your home you can try. You can have a scale, and as I explained, you can release it, and you can take the help of your siblings, brother, sister, any family members, and you can. Now next I am calling Mr. Yes Badak. Come, beta, come. Yes. Are you ready? Yes. I can release it anytime. Be ready. Keep it wide. Not okay. 1 minute. Don't hesitate. No, you are not ready. You can give him one more chance. Be ready. Okay. Yes. This time it is 21 centimeter. This is coming 21 centimeter. you can decrease your this timing, the distance. The distance will be smaller, then your reaction time will be less, and then you are more alert. So it is 21 centimeter, 21 centimeter, I think 1/5 of the second. Okay, so I am again giving you one more chance. Come again. Yes, please come. You can decrease your reaction time again. Ready? Okay, this time less. It is 15 centimeter this time. So 15 centimeter, where lies in this table? 15 centimeter, this one, at between 20 and 30, nearly 1/6 of the second. Our perception of vision is 1/16 of the second. So in this way we can calculate reaction time, and the basic funda theory behind is Newton's law, that is equation of motion half gt square we can calculate. Thank you very much.